Subject English Standard Second. Hello dear students, I am Asma Khan. How are you all? I hope all are fine. In this video, we will learn an interesting topic. Before starting a topic, I would like to ask you few questions. Children, can you tell me why do we wear clothes? Yes, you're right. We wear clothes because clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, and dust. Clothes make us look smart. We wear different types of clothes at different times of the year. So, we wear different types of clothes in different times of year. Now, let's see what we wear in summer. It's sunny or hot outside. We wear cotton clothes and short clothes in summer season. Yes, cotton clothes keep our body cool. Cotton clothes allow air to pass through them. Cotton clothes absorb sweat very easily. Now let's see what we wear in winter season. Yes, it's very cool outside. We wear warm and woolen clothes to protect us from the cold. Woolen clothes keep us warm in winter season. You can see in the picture also. Yes. Children, can you tell me what we wear in rainy season? Yes, now let's see what we wear in rainy season when it's raining outside. We wear raincoat and galoshes. We can also use umbrella when it's raining outside. They protect us from rain and keep us dry. Some clothes tell us about the kind of work a person does. Such clothes are called uniform. Now let's see the topic uniform. We have to know what is uniform when all of us wear same types of clothes. In a place it is called uniform. Do you know, children? Why do we wear uniform? Why people wear uniform? People wear uniform because uniforms help us to identify people easily. So now you can see this is a picture of soldiers. How you identify him or her? Yes, you have identified him or her by seeing his uniform. Now in this picture, what can you see? Yes, this is a doctor. And this picture, yes, policeman wear this type of uniform. Okay, children. Children, now I am going to read a lesson. Listen carefully. The topic name is uniforms. Girls and boys wear uniforms to school. The uniforms are of the same color. The boys wear grey shorts and the girls wear grey skirts. The boys wear white shirts and the girls wear white blouses. Both boys and girls wear black shoes. The colors of the socks are different. Boys wear grey socks, but girls wear white socks. So today's new words are uniform, same, and blouses. Now repeat after me: uniform, same, and blouses. Children, can you tell me what do you mean by uniform? Okay, let's see the meaning of uniform. Uniform means is a special set of clothes which some people, for example, soldier or the police, wear to work and which some children wear at school. You can see in this picture also. Yes, these are the uniform. Children, now we will frame a sentence of new word. The word is uniform. Now we will frame a sentence. Tom and Mary are wearing their school uniform. You can see in this picture also, children. Yes. Here Tom and Mary are wearing their school uniform. Next example. Ram, do you have a uniform? Let's see, next new word is same. Same means what? Yes, you're right. Similar. Something identical with or similar to another. Let's see. We will frame a sentence of this word. We were doing same activity in the classroom. You can observe the picture. Yes, this is a same activity all students done. So we were doing same activity in the classroom. Next example, we have the same birthday. Next new word is blouses. A usually loose fitting garment that covers the body from the neck to the waist. You can see in this picture also. Yes. So this is what blouse. Let's see the example of these words. Seema both a skirt and a blouse. Seema both a skirt and a blouse. Now let's see next example. Mary wore a yellow color blouse. You can see in this picture also. Yes. Which color blouse she wear? Yes, you're right. Yellow color. Children, can you tell me what can you see in this picture? Yes, you're right. Here, two boys and one girl. So, in this para, girls and boys wear uniforms to school. The uniforms are of the same color. So, here they are going to school. And yes, the color of the uniform is the same. Now, in this para, the boys wear grey shorts and the girls wear grey skirts. The boys wear white shirts and the girls wear white blouses. Children, you can observe in this picture also. Yes, the boy wear grey shorts and the girl wear grey skirts. Yes, and the boy wear white shirts, see in this picture, and the girls wear white blouses when go to school. Okay. Both boys and girls wear black shoes. They wearing shoes. But before wearing pair of shoes, we wear the socks. So they are also wearing two different socks. The colors of the socks are different. Boys wear grey socks, but girls wear white socks. They wearing shoes, but before wearing pair of shoes, what we wear? Yes, we wear the socks. So they are also wearing two different color socks. You can see in this picture also. Yes. So tell me which color socks they are wearing. Yes, boys are wearing grey color socks and girls are wearing white socks. And what is the color of the shoes? Yes, you're right. The color of the shoes is black. Children, now let's learn few phonetic words. First word is boy, boy. Can you see in this word letters R, O and Y? The sound is oi. The sound is oi. To join the sound and say the word. So first word is oi, boy. Next oi, joy. Oi, toy. Repeat after me. Oi, boy. Oi, joy. Oi, toy. Children, now I will give you 1 minute to read a lesson. Read it carefully. After that, I will ask you few questions. Uniforms. Girls and boys wear uniforms to school. The uniforms are of the same color. The boys wear grey shorts and the girls wear grey skirts. The boys wear white shirts and the girls wear white blouses. Both boys and girls wear black shoes. The colors of the socks are different. Boys wear grey socks but girls wear white socks. Now I am going to ask you a few questions. Okay? Answer the following question. First question is, what do boys and girls wear to school? Yes, you're right. Boys and girls wear uniforms to school. Next question is, do the boys and girls wear the same color of socks? Yes, you're right. No, boys wear grey socks and girls wear white socks. Okay, next question. Tell me opposite words of same. Yes, same, different. Next word is black, white. Come, go. Good job, children. Now, homework time. Complete the page number 55. Children, I hope you understood this lesson very well. Thank you.